Homosexuals. Since the realization that AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, has been spreading health problems, homophobia, the fear of homosexuals, has been on the rise. Attempts by gay activists and federal and state legislatures to guarantee equal protection for homosexuals have fallen short. In fact, many initiative referendums, including one in Colorado in 1993, not only rejected gay rights proposals, but also established legal obstacles for gays. Even the Supreme Court was not sympathetic. Bowers v. Hardwick in 1986 dealt with the issue of the legality of a Georgia anti-sodomy law. Because the challenge took place by two homosexuals who violated the law, the case was viewed as a test for gay rights. The Supreme Court upheld the validity of the Georgia state law. However, in 1992, the people of Colorado adopted a statewide initiative known as Amendment 2. This provision provided that the state could not adopt any law providing protected status for homosexuals. The referendum was brought to court and reached the Supreme Court in a case entitled Romer v. Evans. The court found Amendment 2 to be unconstitutionally based on the fact that this class of persons was being denied the equal protection of the laws because they were being precluded from seeking protection under the law against discrimination based on their defining characteristic. The decision provided a victory for gay rights supporters. But in 2000, the Supreme Court, in a narrow 5-4 decision, ruled that a homosexual Boy Scout leader could be barred from that position by the Boy Scouts of America's national organization. The case arose when the Boy Scouts barred New Jersey Scout leader Jim Dale, a homosexual, from his position. The Scouts claimed that they had a right under the First Amendment freedom of association to decide whom to exclude from membership in their organization. New Jersey claimed that since the Boy Scouts meetings took place in public school, the Scouts violated New Jersey's public accommodations law. The court ruled in favor for the Boy Scouts. Fallout from the decision was widespread as many schools throughout the country refused to allow the Boy Scouts to meet if homosexuals were barred from participation. One of the few victories in this area came about when President Bill Clinton, through an executive order, directed the military to follow a don't ask, don't tell, don't pursue policy. It allowed homosexuals to enlist and serve in the military as long as they did not disclose the fact that they were gay. This policy was criticized by many in Congress, and it had a difficult time being accepted by the military establishment. The order was challenged in federal court, and the court declared part of the policy unconstitutional based on the First Amendment free speech provision and the Fifth Amendment due process provision. The Clinton and George W. Bush administrations promised a full review of the policy. Although there have been few concrete victories, gay activist groups have been outspoken in their quest for equal protection under the law. They have insisted on marching alongside mainstream groups in parades, and they have made inroads on college campuses.